In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install and use Grammarly in Microsoft Word. Whether you're writing emails, reports, or essays, Grammarly can help you make sure your writing is clear, effective, and mistake-free. Let's dive in and get started with the installation process. First, you'll need to navigate to the Grammarly for Microsoft Office page. You can do this by opening your preferred web browser. Once you're on the Grammarly page, look for the download button. It is usually prominently displayed to facilitate easy access. Press download and you'll have the Grammarly installer saved onto your computer. After downloading, find the installer in your Downloads folder and proceed to run it. During the setup process, you'll be given the option to integrate Grammarly with Microsoft Word, so make sure to select Word as one of your choices to ensure Grammarly will be accessible in your Word application. With that completed, it's time to open Microsoft Word on your computer. Once you've launched Word, you should see a new tab labeled Grammarly in the top menu ribbon. This addition to the menu means that the integration has been successful. To start using Grammarly, click on the Grammarly tab. Here, you will see a login button. Click it and enter your Grammarly credentials to sign into your account. Make sure you have an account created beforehand, or take this time to set one up if you haven't done so yet. With Grammarly logged in, it's time to open an existing Word document or create a new one, depending on what you need to work on. Now you're ready to leverage Grammarly's helpful features. In the Grammarly tab that you activated earlier, you can find an option to open Grammarly. Click on it and you will see Grammarly begin analyzing the text in your document. As Grammarly reviews your document, it will identify areas that may need improvement. These will be highlighted as suggestions within the document. Click on a highlighted suggestion to view more details. From here, you can decide to accept the suggestion and implement the change, or simply ignore it if you feel it doesn't fit with your writing style or intention. By following these steps, you've set up Grammarly in Microsoft Word and learned how to use its powerful editing features effectively. This tool is a great way to enhance your writing clarity and correctness with just a few clicks. Thanks for following along and happy writing!